Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to have a look at creating a crosstab query. So you can see I've got one there already. I'll just create a new one. So just to remind ourselves what's in this table, it's just a list of names and departments and salary. So let's have a look at creating a crosstab query based on that. So I'm on Create, Query Wizard, Crosstab Query Wizard. OK to that. I've only got one table in this database and I'm just going to go next. So I want to do this by department and then next and surname, so surname, and then next, and then I want to add up the salary or find out what the salary is for each person. So I'm going to sum the salary, next, and then finish. And you can see the end product. So you've got the names across the top and then the departments down the left with the total salary count or sum and then individual salaries per person. So that's a crosstab query. If I close that one down and open a different database, if I open company records, do another example. Again, I've already done one in here, but if I go onto the create tab, query wizard, crosstab, OK. Let's have a look at this. That's the correct table I want, address details. Next. So we'll look at city first, next, followed by surname. Go back one because I double click that, surname, and then we want staff ID count. So we're looking at how many Smiths live in Bradford, for example. Next, and then finish. So there's 2 Jones lives in Bradford. Close that one, and then you can maybe do it the other way around if you wanted to. It's the whole point of a crosstab query. Sometimes it's a bit of trial and error to get the actual right answer or the right thing that you want. So let's go for surname this time by city, and again we'll do a count of staff ID. See what this one looks like. So now you've got the people down the left hand side and where they live in terms of cities across the top. Now what will happen if there's any typos on any of these, so if you've got Bradford like I always type, that would be added as an extra city, so it's quite important that you have some sort of lookup feature so you can't type in random spelling mistakes. But that's an example of that one, and the one that we did before, that was crosstab one. The first one is just looking at it the other way around. So you've got the names and then the cities. So it's just complete opposite way around. But both are crosstabs, and the first one I did in the other database was looking at salaries by department. So that's a quick look at crosstab queries. So hopefully that was of use to you, and I'll see you on the next one.